Hello everyone, my name is Wiz and today iba ngayon ang content natin dahil nagbabalik ang childhood game ko which is Pixel Worlds. Nilalaro ko to ever since 2018 but dumating yung time na magsha-shutdown ang laro due to bugs and hindi na masyadong inaasikaso ng developers since may ginagawa silang bagong laro. So, by the time 2026 came, nag-announce sila na babalik ngayon tong laro. March 31, so excited ako laruin to ulit. So, tara, samahan nyo ako. So, nasa tutorial tayo ngayon which we can get to pick a character. Either it's a male or a female. Kayo na bahala sa skin tone and flag nyo. It brings back the nostalgia. Sa mga baguhan pa lang, welcome naman kayo panoorin lahat ng videos ko, mga upcoming videos. Andun naman lahat ng mga tutorial na ibibigay ko throughout my journey dito sa Pixel Worlds. And para na rin sa inyo yun, para matutunan nyo lalo yung game. So let's start. Magpa-place tayo ng 4 gem soils and basic controls lang naman tinuturo dito. We get to punch them and for our free hand in the first bar. Then we can plant our seed and place some fertilizer para ma-grow siya agad. One of the ways to earn is gem soils since nagbibigay siya ng decent gems. And pagdating mo naman sa shop, meron siyang boosters, clothings you can buy for your avatar and stuff. You can buy some orbs for your world and some props and furniture. You can see by holding the items, you can see their info, and by double tapping, you can wear them for at least 4 to 5 clothes. Oh, bangis agad ng avatar ko. Pogi-pogi. Then we can head to the main lobby, which is the Pixel Station, where you can trade, do quests, and claim daily free spins. Sorry, medyo matagal pa yung pag-join sa Pixel Station dahil kaka-release nga lang ng game and medyo nagbabug pa siya. Pero in the meantime, maayos naman siguro yan ng mga developers. So, it's worth the wait naman. And here we are, nasa official station na tayo. You can see a lot of things, daily quest, spins, PWE exchange. There's a lot of things you can do here for yourself and for grinding. So for our first strategy is by clearing our world. You can clear all of this so you can earn some seeds and some special items that you can collect while you're breaking stuff. And what I do is 3 by 5 if that's right, so I don't get too much worked up with breaking some blocks. I'll fast forward the vid because it will really take long to break all of this. It'll take like 40 to 50 minutes, depends on how you want to clear all the world, all the blocks. This is the special item I was talking about. It is called a graffiti. You can complete placing them by 9 pieces, I think. It depends on what kind of graffiti you're doing. If you collect them and complete them, you'll either get special accessories or gems. As you can see, I've cleared halfway, so it's time to clear the right side of the world. And I'm finished. As you can see, the world has been cleared. There's nothing left except for the blocks and items on the entrance portal. And yeah. Now for the second way of grinding is you can mix 2 seeds at a time. What I have here is a marble and obsidian seed, and next to it is a soil seed and a lava seed. So once you mix marble and obsidian, you will get a magic stuff. So let's try mixing the two. You can see 2 symbols there, 2 green circle things. Then you'll get magic stuff. Now let's try mixing soil seed and lava seed. If we mix those two, we'll make a wood block. You can see the seeds you've mixed in your recipe book in case you've forgotten how to mix them, or you can search Pixelworld's wiki in case you want to learn more about mixing seeds and create more blocks. And if you go to the shop, you'll find a fertilizer there. You can buy them for 150 gems. You can use them for your seeds to grow faster. But for me, I'll just, wait for them to grow. The fully grown seeds will look like this. There will be a block in the middle para malaman mo kung anong type of block siya. Now we're going to harvest the seed and we'll place the 3 blocks here. We'll see if we get 1 seed or another. Okay, we got 1. Come on. 1 more. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to place the wood blocks. Titingnan natin kung makakuha pa tayo ng seed. 6 yan ah. Saan na makakuha? Okay, wala pa. Aray ko. Isa pa. Okay, we got 1. 1 more, come on. Nope, isa lang. Pero that's good enough. Magre-reset lang tayo so ma-place natin malapit sa entrance portal natin. Here we go. Then we're gonna place our magic stuff seed and then the wood block seed. And there you have it. Magkakaroon tayo ng wooden platform. Grind lang tayo ng grind hanggang sa makaipon tayo ng stacks ng platforms. Then, pwede natin siya ibenta sa Pixel Station for 1 world lock. That's all for today and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Salamat sa pagsuporta at sa pagnonood ng videos ko. Sana makatulong tayo sa inyo. Bye-bye!